God, this morning in obedience, Lord, to your command, I come again on the behalf of myself and your people, your chosen ones, whether they have come in already or whether they are still to come in, God. So, Father, I enter into the realm of worship, into your throne room, God, and I stand, I bow humbly before thee, before the Abakosata, before the Abokaye, before the Abakasata, Orasatandario Sati, O Kabaito Rasandario Kataye, Oratandaraboka, Ori Kabasapali Kontoya, Iko Rasayi Kotora Iko Bakasia, Oratandarabu Riabasiri Yabakator. Yes, Lord. Hallelujah. God, I pray, Lord, that God, your people, Father, would know that they